Click on the link below to get price. The Nikon Z6II mirrorless camera body paired with the NIKKOR Z 24-70mm f/4s lens is a remarkable combination that showcases Nikon's commitment to innovation and quality in the mirrorless camera market. Upon unboxing, the first thing that stands out is the robust build quality of the Z6II. It feels solid and well balanced in hand, which is crucial for extended shooting sessions. The ergonomic grip is comfortable, allowing for prolonged use without discomfort, a notable feature for both amateur and professional photographers. The Z6II is equipped with a 24.5 MP full-frame sensor that delivers exceptional image quality. The dynamic range and color accuracy are impressive, making it an excellent choice for landscape and portrait photography. The low-light performance is another highlight. It excels at high ISO settings, producing remarkably clean images even in challenging lighting conditions. This capability is enhanced by the in-body image stabilization, which helps to reduce camera shake, making handheld shooting more feasible. The NIKKOR Z 24-70mm f/4s lens complements the camera perfectly. The lens is versatile, covering a range of focal lengths ideal for various photography styles, from wide landscapes to intimate portraits. The sharpness across the frame is noteworthy, with minimal distortion and excellent bokeh. Autofocusing is swift and accurate, aided by the camera's advanced hybrid AF system, which features eye detection for both humans and animals, a game-changer for portrait and wildlife photographers. Video capabilities are also impressive, supporting 4K UHD recording at up to 30p with full pixel readout, making it suitable for videographers looking to capture high-quality footage. The dual card slots provide flexibility and peace of mind, allowing for simultaneous recording or backup. In summary, the Nikon Z6II paired with the NIKKOR Z 24-70mm f/4s lens is an outstanding kit that performs exceptionally well in various shooting conditions, making it a worthwhile investment for both enthusiasts and professionals alike.